welcoming you back to Burb Life, the channel where all we do is modifications on the Burb. And as you can see here, we got some new rims and tires. Now, I'm gonna tease you guys a little bit. I'm gonna tease you all just a little bit, just to build up the suspense. I'm not gonna show you or reveal the tires until they're on the vehicle. So we're gonna throw this up on the tripod, do a little time lapse, and install the rims, the all new rims and tires. Tires are really similar. They're basically KO2s again, a little bit bigger. So stay tuned, and we're gonna throw you up on a time lapse. I finally got the suspension dialed. I got the torsion keys up top adjusted and dialed. So stay tuned. We're gonna get you up on a tripod. I'm gonna do a little time lapse. There's a little sneak peek. American Racing. Got the tools out, ready to go. We just appreciate the fact that I put all the deep sockets ready to grab. Oh, what's up, Shelby? Neighbor's dog. What's up, Shelby? I put up the deep sockets, the ones that I use the most on the Burb, just so I can grab and go. So these are the tools, and here's a little sneak peek. All right, that's it. That's all you guys are gonna get.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Sorry about that.
I'll do it, man.
I got it.
I don't want you to hurt your knee. Jack up the whole truck and do this all that.
Starting to fly.
Like a pit stop crew, right?
Yeah.
Gotta be in and out. NASCAR. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. First off, let's chalk off the wheels before this truck falls off. Safety first. We're all about OSHA, right?
Oh yes, that kid going under the truck is
OSHA approved.
I can just simply tell that you're the car.
Yeah? You're that good, huh?
Shoot, a few months ago.
Hey, you just make sure you bring that's like good luck aroma about you. So that project goes super smooth. You
Right
know?
now, you'd be like, it would be like the bolts were welded on.
And then you come over and then you just come out.
Yeah.
No issues.
Are you ready to come out?
Yeah, but I want to keep that top one on so it catches the wheel. Oh, where's the hand strength? Hey, when are you guys done with school? If you gotta get bags, they're right there.
It's on a Thursday of May.
Oh,
Like-
so like,
I think it's the 23rd.
hey, am I in the frame by the way? Just hit the back of the screen and it should. You should just be able to touch it.
Barely.
It doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
But the truck is.
Yeah,
As
if
long
I
as
were to move it over like right here.
I want to keep it centered so that they don't really see. We're trying to build the suspense here, you know? Ooh, good question. That's a, whew, Andrew, that's the question of the year right there. I think we're gonna have to have Daisy come over without your presence and see. Now, if you step in her poop, Daisy's the good luck.
How hard is it to do it?
Pretty high.
Is it like lifting up 6,000 pounds?
Which means if I can do this, does that mean that I can curl 6,000 pound dumbbell?
No.
If there was a 6,000 pound dumbbell. Okay. Finish your homework?
Oh, I don't have any tonight.
Wait, you might never have homework?
No, I didn't have it.
All about safety. We're all about that OSHA. Safety. OSHA, what the heck is OSHA? I should gotta know this.
Alright, time to put on the wheel.
No, not yet, but
Oh, take
you
off.
are impatient, my guy.
I know.
Ryobi for the win. I mean, that'd be something. You can put it right, just don't blow your back, put it right on top of that.
Showing it off to the camera, the old ones.
The old ones, yeah. All right, 2 tires off. And by the way, at night especially, or even during the day, I mean, safety glasses are always a good choice, OSHA approved. However, yellow for some reason helps, just like yellow fogs. The yellow tinted safety glasses kind of help your vision at night. I don't know if it has to do with like your eyes getting fatigued, but back to our off, the old ones, new ones are on, and I'm gonna go work on the fronts. All right, it's almost 11 o'clock at night, and had to give you guys a change of scenery just to give you guys the reveal. Look at it. It literally looks like the president's about to get picked up. It looks so good. So, American Racing 17-inch rims sitting on BFGoodrich. Basically the same tire. It might be a little bit bigger just to accept the rims, but I mean, it's pretty much leveled out. I don't know if you can see. Trying to get the light on. it's pretty much leveled out. The back sits a little bit higher just because I got the 2-inch spacers. However, wow, it looks badass. Bleep that out. We won't keep this family friendly. I think we're just about done with, I would call this phase 1. Phase 1 is just about complete, and stay tuned for all the videos that'll be going up on everything I've done so far. But I think we're at a good stage to really put this thing through its paces and take it on its first adventure, which we're about to go to the mountains of South Carolina / North Carolina and a little bit of Georgia, I believe. So we're gonna do a little bit of a road trip out of Florida to South Carolina, and then spend a couple days doing some, hopefully overlanding, we'll see. But this thing sits so nice. I'm so incredibly happy with these rims. Let's see. And oh, by the way, you guys are on the GoPro, so here you have, whoa, let's see if I get some light on for you guys. American Racing, 8 lug, 17-inch black rims. She's sitting so good, relatively level. Okay, another thing to note too, some slight rubbing. Let's see if I can get my light on for you guys. This bolt right there, I gotta pop out because I got some slight rubbing. I just found one of those plastic clips, but that's the only spot at full turn it rubs. But I got these. Funny thing is I got these in at lunchtime, unpacked them, custom offsets. I am thrilled with the overall process. They kind of reached out, kept me up to date throughout the entire shipping process. When they were delivered, I checked them out. They were, oh my gosh, they were ridiculously packaged so well. I was just thoroughly impressed. They came in at 45 psi, so I aired them up. It's sitting at 70 all around, but this thing looks so mean. I'm so impressed. Shout out Publix parking lot with the lighting. But I am so incredibly impressed. And I think we're at the stage where I would call this about the end of phase 1, and phase 2 would be probably rear bumper, dual swing outs, full roof rack, light bar, more lights. I mean, I would really like to deck this out into the ultimate overland rig. I think she is looking so good. And the fact that it's almost a 20-year-old vehicle with 80,000 miles on the road. It's the 8.1 liter 2500 family hauler adventure rig. I love to see these old vehicles on the roads just still plugging away. And now with manufacturers going to V6s and V4s turbocharged, who knows if we're going to be seeing these V8s. So I'm like, this is the exact look that I was going in my head. Like, I envisioned this before I got the Burb. So it's just a beautiful thing to see it become a reality through hard work and these hands. So you guys are on the new GoPro, so if you guys like this content, consider subscribing, because there's gonna be a whole lot more. There's gonna be a lot more late nights, a lot more hard work, a lot more getting the fingernails dirty. But if you like this sort of stuff, let me know, comment down below, subscribe, do that fun YouTube stuff. You guys are currently on a new GoPro Hero 12, so I'm trying to figure out how this thing still works. But comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see more of. I want to take this thing on adventures. I'm getting antsy now that this thing is dialed. So stay tuned. I've kind of done this backwards, where I recorded a bunch of videos. Now we got to go through and edit everything. So I'm gonna try to do it in chronological order, but I definitely do want like a walk around, high level overview video as to why I got this vehicle and the plans I have it for the future. So Bourbon Lifers, hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm having some heat issues where it's blowing AC on the passenger side for my wife, and it's blowing heat in my face. So it's an old vehicle, so it's to be expected, but it's a pretty common failure point. So subscribe, let me know down below. I love you guys. Hope you have a great weekend. Catch you on the next one. Burby out. Let's go.